Can photosynthesis balance Earth's carbon cycle? Have you ever wondered how plants play a role in keeping our planet's air clean? Today, we will look at the fascinating relationship between photosynthesis and Earth's carbon cycle. Photosynthesis is a process where plants and tiny ocean organisms called phytoplankton absorb carbon dioxide from the air. They use sunlight and water to turn that carbon dioxide into sugars, which help them grow. This process also produces oxygen, which is essential for most living things. By taking in carbon dioxide, photosynthesis helps lower the amount of this greenhouse gas in the atmosphere. The carbon cycle is all about how carbon moves through different parts of our planet. It travels between the atmosphere, living things, oceans, and even the Earth's crust. Photosynthesis is part of what scientists call the fast carbon cycle. This means that carbon is quickly cycled through plants and animals. When plants or phytoplankton die, or when animals eat them, the carbon stored in their bodies is released back into the atmosphere as carbon dioxide through processes like respiration and decomposition. However, photosynthesis alone cannot balance the carbon cycle completely. Human activities, like burning fossil fuels and cutting down forests, releases a lot of carbon dioxide into the air. While photosynthesis helps by fixing about 125 petagrams of carbon each year, the amount of carbon dioxide released through respiration and other processes is almost the same. Plus, emissions from fossil fuels add even more carbon to the atmosphere. Plants and oceans can only absorb so much carbon dioxide. Their ability to do so can be affected by things like climate and land use. In ecological terms, photosynthesis acts as a natural carbon sink, helping to keep carbon dioxide levels in check. This is important because too much carbon dioxide can lead to global warming, which traps heat in our atmosphere. So, while photosynthesis is a key process that captures carbon and supports life on Earth, it cannot completely offset all carbon emissions on its own. It works alongside other processes like respiration, decomposition, and oceanic functions to help maintain a balance. Understanding how these natural processes work together is vital for managing carbon levels and addressing climate change. In short, photosynthesis is essential for driving the carbon cycle and supporting life, but it needs a healthy environment and responsible management to truly make a difference.